immediately after the trial, Trooper Proctor was rehomed, unfortunately not to a farm in Vermont, but somewhere else to do something else. He was basically suspended with pay pending the investigation. Well, the investigation happened and Trooper Proctor, lead investigator in Karen Reed case, suspended without pay. Michael Proctor had already been relieved of duty and his police-issued cruiser, gun, and gear taken away following standard practice in such cases, but was still collecting a paycheck pending the hearing. Well, Massachusetts State Trooper Michael Proctor, the lead investigator in the Karen Reed murder case, has been suspended without pay after a duty status hearing on Monday. Interim Police Superintendent Colonel John Colonel John Mon accepted the recommendations from the Duty Status Hearing Board, a body of 3 commissioned officers who heard evidence in the matter, according to a police representative. Proctor had publicly admitted to making unprofessional and regrettable comments about Reed. He only regretted it because he got busted. That's all. Regrettable comments about Reed during the investigation into the death of her boyfriend, Boston Police Officer John O'Keefe. The investigation led to Reed being charged with second-degree murder, manslaughter, and leaving a scene of personal injury and death, which she denies. Last week, after a 9-week trial, a mistrial was declared. Her lawyers claimed on Monday the jury had been ready to acquit her on 2 of the charges, including murder, but Proctor had already been relieved of duty and his police-issued cruiser, gun, and gear taken away following standard practice. Proctor made about $102,000 in base salary and over $35,000 in other pay in the last 2 years, according to publicly available payroll data. That's like $250,000 in the past 2 years this dude has raked in. So, damn. The internal affairs investigation into Proctor remained ongoing. A state police spokesman said Monday, while announcing Proctor's suspension, the department will issue a filing on each allegation, sustained, not sustained, exonerated, or unfounded, and relay the results to the state's post-commission, which keeps police disciplinary records. In such investigations, if charges are found by investigators to be warranted, they are adjudicated by a state police trial board. Dun, dun, dun. A protest was scheduled to take place Monday afternoon outside the State Police Troop H barracks in South Boston, where Proctor had been reassigned from the Norfolk District Attorney's Office. The transfer did not make him eligible to work in Troop H. While Proctor testified during Reed's trial that he referred to the woman as a whack job, that's like the nicest thing he said to her. That's like the nicest thing he said to her was calling her a whack job. I can think of a few other more serious things, one of which was, and texted his sister, hopefully she kills herself. He insisted the comments had no bearing on the integrity of the investigation. Lie away, buddy. Proctor's comments prompted widespread outrage. Governor Maura Healey called the comments terrible and said they tarnished the integrity of law enforcement. Well, by gum, they did. I think I've been very clear, and I want to be very clear. This conduct in any way, shape, or form in the Massachusetts State Police will not be tolerated, he said.